attack. However, this isn't an aggressive behavior, it's just a training session. This shepherd is really well trained and under control. German Shepherd is the real embodiment of badass. We now see how well trained this shepherd is. He stays alert 24/7 during the training session and ready for any attack. Before joining the army, German Shepherds are originally bred for herding. Look at the sheep falling into the line when he comes to their place. When a sheep in the stock is trying to tease a German Shepherd and learned her lesson, never make fun of this boss. Found you two trying to escape. Those sheep forgot that the dogs are German Shepherds. The way the dogs press against the sheep at the end to make sure they don't run away is gold. This shepherd is showing to this young sheep who is the real boss. That's the end of the video. Let me know which part is the most impressive to you in the comments section below. Like and subscribe to my channel if this is your first visit.